In the last 3 episodes, you did the hard part. You built the gap, the money you don't spend. You put it in the right home, where it grows instead of melting. And you plugged the 5 leaks that were draining it. So now you've got money working for you. But here's the part that turns a little money into a lot: time. Let me show you the simplest piece of money math there is. A rule that tells you, in seconds, how fast your money doubles. It's called the Rule of 72. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by your yearly return. The answer is how many years it takes your money to double. Say your money grows around 7% a year. That's roughly the long-term average of the whole market. 72 divided by 7 is about 10. So every 10 years, your money doubles on its own. Watch what that does. Start with $10,000. 10 years later, $20,000. 10 more, $40,000. 10 more, $80,000. You didn't add a cent. It doubled, then doubled again. That's compound interest. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. Slowly at first, then not slowly at all. Remember the snowball? This is it, finally rolling. But here's the twist almost nobody gets. The amount you start with matters far less than the time you give it. Let me prove it. 2 friends, same job, same paycheck. Anna starts investing at 25. Ben waits and starts at 30, just 5 years later. Same amount every month. Now fast forward to retirement. Anna has far more. Not a little more, almost double. Same money going in. The only difference was 5 years. Why? Because the early money gets the most doublings. And the doublings at the end are the biggest ones of all. The last double is the one that turns 40,000 into 80. Wait 5 years, and you don't just lose 5 years at the start, you lose a doubling at the end, the most expensive one there is. So the lesson of this whole series comes down to this. Building the gap was step 1. Protecting it from inflation was step 2. Plugging the leaks was step 3. And giving it time, starting now, is the multiplier that makes all of it matter. There's an old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. It's the same with your money. You can't get back the years you waited, but the most powerful day you'll ever have is the day you start. So start today. That's the series. Build the gap, give it a home, plug the leaks, and let time do the heavy lifting. Do that, and you don't need to be rich to become wealthy. Thanks for watching. Now go and start.